guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Nadula. So it's the classical packaging that it always comes in, and as I open the box I see the wig. What I got in today's package, not much. I don't know, it seems like you guys been cutting down on the goodies on in the package. What's going on? But I just got a wig cap and an extra elastic band, and that's it. This is the wig, and it's classic vacation vibe. It's like a loose curly texture. I'm going to put the specific link to this. Oh my gosh, it comes so nicely pre-plucked. Wonder if you guys can see that hairline. It looks so good. And of course, you guys know I always get them in a like medium cap size. Okay, so the inside of the wig looks like this. It's a full-on 13x4 lace front. It's 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it's like a medium brown lace as well. Yeah, it's really nice. Oh, the curve is so soft. And as I said before, this is 22 inches long. Guys, get your wigs them ready for your vacation. Or if I want like a staycation, not wrong. Yeah, could I want like a beach day or like a pool day. Best texture to wear when you're going in water, because you don't have to worry about straightening it, curling it, blow drying it. You wet it up and it look even prettier. So you know it's always a go. But today's video, guys, is a slight makeover. Yeah. So I'm pretty much just gonna jump into, you know, transforming her face is not new at all. I've done a makeover on her before, and we got her again. So let's go ahead and jump into the makeover. Guys, look who we got. Say hi. Hi. We got Mitzi again today. Girl, I come out. She going on a road trip. Yay.
You should have won.
Listen.
You should have.
Yeah, girl, I go for road trip us. Huh? She giving her husband a different look today.
I'm transforming into Dream.
Yes. Girl, I snatched the body out. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, because she is snatching the body, you need to go check out her channel at
PETITE-SUE and the Hastings family.
Yes, and we're going over there.
So on PETITE-SUE you get beauty videos, get ready with me, and on Hastings family is my vlog channel where you see crazy people like Sue, who I bump into all the time.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to, you know, firstly install wig. Oh yeah, we're doing the ball cap method. So you know, she come to a point look like she not met your partner, right? But no, we're going to change all that, and I'm going to install this, and we're doing glue install today because she's gonna wear this for a couple days just to switch things up. And yeah, and after that I'm gonna give her a nice little cute glam. So let's jump into it. Basically, I just started on applying the wig. So as I said before, this is going to be a glue installation today because she's going to be wearing this for a couple of days. And my biggest recommendation, if you plan on you know having on the wig for a prolonged period, is just do glue, because in my opinion, in my experience, it got to be spray nor gel just doesn't last, at least for me anymore. I sweat, and you know, living in the tropics, it's rough. And one of my biggest pet peeves with got to be after wearing it for a prolonged period is how hard and white the area gets. So like if you sweat in it and it dries back, it has this white casty look. I don't like that. Over time the glue will break down, but it's the install just lasts way longer with the glue. And so I was using the Kiss glue today for this installation. I've been using that glue so much because it's working, you know, and it looks good. It melts down really nicely and stuff.
Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly.
wanted something really nice, melted, and just looks good basically. As I said, this is really just a transformation, and it definitely, this texture, everything gave me summer vibe. And as you know, as usual, please go ahead and check the description box for all the details on the wig if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Yeah. Got done with her makeup and got a look the crease, but I love it. So I'm thinking maybe to do a flip over look. I don't know. Or am I really going to just do the wet look? But I feel like she has that nice round face that would just like kind of accentuate that look.
The big hair.
Yeah. Like just a nice flip over look. I don't know. So I'm just gonna play with it and see, you know, how I want it. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick with it like this, guys. What you think? Let me know. Because you guys are so used to the wet look. So I'm just like, gonna kind of, I'm gonna do the whole flip over vibe. You don't even have to stress out parting. As long as the lace is melted, which that's nice.
Ooh. Okay.
What you think?
I like the big.
You think you would prefer, you know,
wet?
Wet?
No.
Yeah, guys. So she's feeling that big vibe. You can just, you know, since it's loose wave, you can go in the hair and give it like a tease.
Yeah.
You know, and make it, and then you brush out the top. And the hair is really soft. You know, minimal shedding out of the packaging, really not a lot, which that's normal. So that's a vibe. Let me know what you guys think about this. Would you get this for vacation? Would you wear this for vacation?
Definitely.
Imagine
like it can just fluff and go like.
Yes. It's really not like, of course you have to detangle.
Yeah. And
then you do, because you don't want it to get like super matted.
It's really soft though.
Yeah, it's really soft. Yeah, comment your thoughts down below, guys. Let me know what you think. That's pretty much it for today's little makeover. From this to this. Give them a pause. Give them a pause. Yes. Yes. Feel this. Oh, yes. Flash. Give me a flash. Hair flip. Ooh. If you're gonna get this wig, or if you're just going for a look like this, like the video, share the video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, stay tuned for my other videos coming up very soon, other makeovers. Yes, really fun. And don't forget to subscribe to Mitty's channel. She uploads every
Sundays on the vlog channel and Fridays on Mitty Certs.
Awesome. So go ahead and do that, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself, and bye.